Hello. I just got home, and for some reason, all the house lights are on. I think somebody's in the house. The heck? The door's open. It's unlocked. Who's here? What the heck? I hear noise. The TV's on. What the heck? Who's here? Oh my god!
What?
It's Jigsaw!
Get the hell out of here, bitch!
And he's playing Black Ops!
Go to hell!
Huh?
Fuck you!
Get out of here!
No, bitch! It's my TV now!
No way! Get out!
Fuck you!
Get out!
Look, it's George W. Bush!
George Bush? Where? Yeah, you better run! Stupid Jigsaw. Messing with my Xbox. Look at this! He keeps getting killed. What a lame brain.